Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Agoda prices or deals not loading. First, check your internet connection and then try to refresh the app or the page. Low network connection can stop prices from loading properly. Next, just adjust your filters such as date, location, or number of guests, as incorrect filters can sometimes cause it not to display. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe away, completely closing it, wait for a few while and you open it. Then this will help you fix temporary glitches. Next, make sure that the Agoda app is updated to the latest version for better performance. Now, if the issue continues, it may be due to temporary server delays, so wait a few minutes and then try again. That's how you fix the Agoda prices or deals not working.